Imagine a plate full of succulent chicken, marinated in a blend of aromatic Indian spices and slow-cooked to perfection. The rich aroma, tantalizing spices, and tender chicken come together to create a unique taste and texture that's truly Indian. Ready to start your culinary journey to India? Let's dive into the recipe. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need some succulent chicken pieces, the star of our dish. Then some yogurt to tenderize the chicken and give a creamy base to our curry. Our next key players are a blend of Indian spices. Turmeric for its earthy aroma and vibrant color, red chili powder for the heat, coriander and cumin powders for their unique flavors, and garam masala for that final aromatic punch. Then we have garlic and ginger, the dynamic duo that adds a zing to our curry. Onions are next in line. They'll provide a sweet caramelized base. You might also want to toss in some tomatoes for a tangy twist and a handful of fresh coriander for garnish. Before we begin, make sure the chicken pieces are washed and patted dry. The onions should be finely chopped and the ginger and garlic should be minced. With all the ingredients in check, it's time to get cooking. The secret to the perfect Indian chicken lies in the marinade. Indeed, the magic of this dish is in the marination process. We begin by preparing a marinade that is a blend of rich flavors. Take a generous amount of yogurt. It acts as a tenderizer and adds a creamy tanginess. To this, we add a symphony of spices, including turmeric, coriander, and garam masala, each bringing a distinct profile to our marinade. Don't forget the ginger and garlic. These two are the soul of Indian cuisine. They bring a punch of flavor and aroma that is truly irreplaceable. Now mix these all together until the yogurt takes on a warm golden hue. Immerse your chicken in this marinade, ensuring every bit is well coated. Now comes the crucial part, patience. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least a couple of hours. This will let the chicken absorb all the flavors, making it tender and delicious. Once the chicken is well coated in the marinade, let it rest and soak up all the delicious flavors. Now for the most exciting part, cooking the chicken. This is where the magic truly happens. We start by sautéing onions. The key to a great Indian chicken dish is not rushing this process. We want the onions to slowly caramelize and turn a beautiful golden brown. This is not just about color, it's about flavor. The onions release their sweetness and add a depth of flavor that is truly remarkable. Once the onions have reached that perfect golden hue, it's time to introduce the marinated chicken to the pan. This is the moment we've been waiting for. As the chicken hits the pan, you'll hear a satisfying sizzle and the aroma will begin to fill the kitchen, a fragrant mix of the spices, onions, and chicken. Now, patience is key. We're going to let the chicken cook on a low heat. Why low heat, you ask? This is the secret to getting the chicken tender and juicy. High heat can cause the chicken to cook too quickly on the outside, leaving the inside undercooked. But on low heat, the chicken has time to cook evenly, absorbing all the wonderful flavors from the marinade and the onions. Remember, good food takes time. The longer you allow the chicken to simmer in the spices and onions, the more flavorful it will be. The spices will infuse into the chicken, making every bite a taste sensation. The chicken will become tender, almost melting in your mouth. At this point, your kitchen will be filled with the enticing aroma of Indian spices and cooked chicken. It's a scent that promises something truly delicious is in the making. This is the beauty of Indian cooking, the melding of flavors, the slow cooking, the anticipation. It's a labor of love, but the end result is so worth it. And there you have it, a flavorful, aromatic Indian chicken dish ready to be devoured. Before you rush off to try this recipe, here are a few key points to remember. First, the magic starts with the marinade. Use fresh ingredients and let the chicken soak up those flavors for at least 2 hours. Then, slow cooking is your best friend. Patience will reward you with tender, flavorful chicken that's worth every second. And let's not forget the garnish. A sprinkle of fresh coriander will add that final touch of freshness and color. For the perfect dining experience, serve your chicken with traditional Indian bread or fluffy basmati rice. And there you have it, an authentic Indian chicken dish right in your kitchen. With these tips in mind, you're all set to amaze everyone with your culinary skills. Happy cooking!